Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Tam and I do videos about planning. In today's video is a brand new month, so I'm going to take my old month out, put my new month in and start planning. Let's get started. So, first page is goals. As you can see, I didn't do all of my goals. I don't know if you can even see that. Can you? That's better. So yeah. I did read 3 books, I did have a movie night, I did get dressed twice a week. I just tend to slop in slob clothes. I didn't move every day. I have tried a morning vlog. You'll see that later on in the month, and I have not been able to increase my subscribers on any of my social medias. So, this is the new one. So as you can see, I got personal health and social media. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to read 10 books because I got Kindle Unlimited for free, so there's quite a lot of books. I'm going to have movie night again because I really enjoyed it. I might come back to that because I think there was more that I wanted to do. I am going to put move every day again. And I'm going to put complete my steps. Every day. We'll see how that one goes. I normally only do it about 3 times a week. Social media. Definitely want to increase subscribers and followers, so do that. And post consistently. Would be a good one. And plan next month. Okay, looks good. So then the next section is my month. So goodbye July. Hello August. As you can see, I have written a few things down, but it's only this week. I'm sure more things will pop up, but I haven't really got anything planned. My to-do list is fine. Then we're gonna rip out the week and start planning the week, I think. Hold on, I might come back to that. What else have I got? Oh no. That's about right. Oh, I'm going to take out July's content. Hello, August's content. I can't believe it's August already. So, let's plan the week. So yeah, let's get started, shall we? So first I'll date it. It's the first. Remove that for now. Right, I'm supposed to meet my friend Katie, but we haven't sorted out a time or place yet. I need to take the rubbish out on Wednesday. Now my dad is off, so we might do something together. I'm trying to figure out if I want to put morning routine or not. That is what my new week is looking like. I'm just going to color coordinate it. So green is for personal, so anything that I am doing for myself or for my family is personal. So my routine, that is personal. I have to order my meds and collect my meds, and then I have a dentist appointment and grocery shopping. Now, reading is at the bottom here, and it is personal, but I think of it as more as self-care. So that's in a different colour. That is in this orangey colour. So orange is for like health and self-care. So I'm going to put that there. And that Feel Night is definitely personal. So I'm going to pop that there. Let's have a look. Right, so anything to do with YouTube, social media, things like that, I call it business, and I put it in pink. So because I'm filming and editing, that goes in pink. And then cleaning, any type of cleaning, like decluttering or actually cleaning is yellow. So I'm going to tidy under my dresser, I'm going to clean the kitchen, do the dishes. Shred is decluttering paper, and laundry is obviously laundry. And that's it, that's my upcoming week planned. Of course, something else might happen, and like I said, I am meeting my friend Katie, but I don't know when or where yet, so I will put it there. That's just a reminder. And so yeah, that is my week, and that's how I plan the upcoming month. I also have my health and wellness log. I've already taken that out and put some new ones in, some blank ones in. And like I said, I have my content. I think I have September's and August's already in there. And then, yeah. So that is the new month, all set and raring to go. Hope you have a good one. See you in the next one. Bye.